Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to add a title for our window. Since on our last video, what we did, we managed to create our first GUI application. As you can see, we have created our window here. So this window is having a default title. So we need to put our own title, and we need to resize it by default. We need to put a default resizing or default size. So let us go here below super, and let us type the following command. Let us put the self keyword, and this self keyword is part of our constructor here, so it is binding our code with our window. So we are saying self dot set window title, and the window title we are going to give it a name, and the name is PySide. Let us call it PySide application, but you can call it whatever you want. You can give it a name. It depends with what name you want to give your application. And also let us call the self keyword again. So self, what we need to do is to resize. We need to resize our window to a default size of 600 length by a height of 400. Okay, so let us run our program again. As you can see, we have successfully put a title on our window, and also we have managed to resize our window. I think this is all for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.